This is a tutorial on how to create a text button and an image button for your Twitch account. So when you're streaming or when someone checks out your profile, they'll be able to click on a image or a text button to to lead them to a link for. This is really good for affiliate marketers who want to earn a commission. So whoever visits their channel, they'll see a beautiful image, click on it, and then it'll take them to a store where they could buy stuff and they could earn a commission. So I'm logged in as admin in my Twitch account, and what you'll do, you'll go here and you'll click on your little profile button. You'll go to your channel here, and then it'll take you to your channel, this page. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the About section right here. So you click on About, and then you go to Edit Panels. So I created one earlier, but we're going to create another one. So you got to click on Edit Panels. So you click on Edit Panels, and then what you'll get is you'll get this button, this plus button, to create another panel. So what you'll do is you'll click on the plus button, and then you'll get this option, Add a Text or Image Panel. So you click on Add Text or Image Panel, and first we'll create an image panel. So click on Add Image, and then you could choose a file or drag it there. We'll go ahead and choose a file, and then you'll have to size it up. You could use half of the image. In this case, I want to do the whole image, so you have this little spacer thing. So just in case you don't, you just want part of the image, but in this case, I want to use the whole image, so I'll drag it out for the whole image, and I'll hit done. And then the image will link to my referral, my referral link. So it's my Shopify referral link, and it'll create image, and the image will link to the referral link, and then you hit submit, and then it's there. So let's go to what the customer will see. The customer, so whoever goes and visits your site, they'll see it's not there now, but let me refresh the page, and now it's there. So now there's that image that I loaded up, and the cursor changes, and if someone wants to click on it, it will take them to the referral link where they could buy stuff. They could buy a beanie, and there's black, navy, red, dark green, whatever, and and whenever they buy something, I'll earn a commission. So that's how you create the image. But if you just want a text, you could do that as well. I like the images better. I think that they look a lot better and they're bigger. But if you want to create a lot of them, say, I don't know, you have a lot of referral links, or you just want to put a lot of links with just a text button, what you would do is you'd have to copy this format right here. You pretty much have to code it into this section, and say if I wanted Ergotari, if I want an Ergotari text button, you would type in Ergotari for the text, and then you put it in brackets. So you gotta make sure you put it in brackets, and then you put the link in parentheses. So it's the same link right here, but it's in parentheses. And you have to make sure the link is right next to the bracket. So the link has to be right there. If it's not there, say, let's go put it down there. If the link is down here and the bracket's down there, you hit submit, then what you get is, we'll refresh the page. What you get is this. So you got a link, you got this ugly, well, not, it looks cool to me, but it doesn't look as good as just the text button right here. So because it's not next to the parentheses, it's not next to the brackets, let's fix that. We'll go put it back. It's okay, so it's right next to the bracket. Then we'll submit it this time. And let's go back and refresh the page. Now you have the Ergotari text button. So if you click on the button, it'll take, once again, it'll be like hitting the link, and they'll take you to the store or wherever the link is. And for you affiliate marketers, then you can earn a commission. When somebody wants to buy something, say these gaming headset earbuds, they could do that and then earn a commission. So it looks good, it looks professional, and that looks better. I mean, if all you got is this link, then that's cool, but you know, I'd rather have the text button. And if you got a really cool image, I'd much rather have the image over the text button. But that definitely will help make your Twitch profile look good when you have viewers and followers checking out your about section. And that's a tutorial on how to add an image link and a image button and a text button to your Twitch about profile used in editing the panels. Thank you.